everyone. In this video, we together install the Laravel in the Android, and maybe this is the first my trying to do that. So I found this article talking about how to set up Laravel 8 on your Android phone. So we tested and we tried to make it in my phone. So the first step, I think we needed the termux. You know, termux, you can install it from the maybe from the Google Play, and we try to install the Laravel. So first step in this article needed to termux needed to install Composer, and you know Composer depended on the PHP. So exactly you needed install PHP and Composer. And so we tried that. The first step is talking about the permission. I think uh, we needed make termux to can open the storage. I think that so we can do that. And what we doing is exactly that's what because if termux haven't a permission to access to your files, that mean can't make or can't change the folders. And this exactly is a dangerous way, because if anyone can go to your termux, you can do more things, because termux has a more maybe instruction maybe, or codes can damage your phone. So no problem. This is a composer. We can go to to the website of it, but exactly before that we needed to install the PHP, because the composer depended on the PHP. So we can go to the termux again and maybe load and can access the files. So we can this is this code for install PHP from the apt, you know, and you can say yes. So needed a time depended on your network and speed of internet. So maybe may I have weak internet, so this will take long from you if your internet is faster. So this is not a problem. I will cut it. If the videos was big, I will cut it, no problem. And we needed to white it to complete install the PHP. So we can go to the to uh, to website of Composer, and we back to the PHP. So we can go uh, to the Composer. So this is a Composer dependent on the PHP. So we needed first install a PHP. Okay, we white is maybe needed a time, and I think it completed. So we can check that from using PHP and slash version. This is work for that's work in the Linux, and I don't know if it work here. So it's work, and the version of the PHP is 8.4. And now now can install we can install the composer. So we can copy this. I think what you did copy, not all, because it's a phone, and you know how I can copy specific things. These are difficult, very difficult. I don't know how I can do that. So we need to try. We can do that, and we can make as that, I think, and copy it and go to the note uh, Laravel. So we can paste here, and now we can copy. This is a first introduction. So here, not introduction, instruction. Maybe I'm making English. Who is from here? Maybe this what he's doing. Maybe he will copy the file from the composer setup PHP from what? From the website of the composer. It's maybe download. You can say it's download the file to your phone, maybe using the PHP. So we can do it. So what's happening is doing is completed, and we can and the two things, or the second way we needed, this is an important part and the people can't doing, is needed to check anything is installed. Needed to check if some you can the man in the middle and change your download. Some hackers go in your you as a programmer, and we as a programmer with haven't knowledge in hacker, but hacker go in the middle and maybe change the file download. So needed to check if this file is the same the file I download or we downloaded from the website. So he say install Farfetch maybe is same same the file he we download, and no one change it. So because this file will have a code, and if someone he changes, will change your phone and hacking your phone or laptop. So needed to check before do anything. So this is great things, and now he install and download the composer. So and this instead the composer dot phar, and it is the file from the composer. So here what he doing, he I think he remove the file for setup if someone he go to your phone or and can change, because not anyone go to your phone can do more things. I think that needed to make some instruction, and if you have any way to make it or make the to damage your phone as this a file, I think if change it can run it. So and now we needed to what we needed to check is it running or no. What's happening? Not here, there, here is. And what we needed now, maybe to run the Laravel. So we forget something. This is not completed copy. So we needed make complete the instruction and go. So is a complete. Now we can test that in laptop. So what here? In laptop make the composer.phr a global using this instruction, but in phone I don't know how we can do that. So we can test it as as the article talking about. So as the article, what the articles is articles here, articles maybe direct test, and direct test after install the Laravel. So he was doing, yes, he check if the file is found. So we can use list. Yes, is this a composer? Exactly, this is a composer, and we needed to run it. But the difference from laptop is maybe you write the composer and it's run. But here no, because you needed to go to the specific file, specific folder and specific file to run it. So he doing that. PHP dot composer, maybe not composer. Okay, we can check how I will explain that. In the laptop, we write composer, and it's run, but here not run. So you can say that didn't he say this composer not founded, but exactly if we uh, run as a file of PHP in the directories, it will work. So we can look at that. So we can phar. So if we run it, composer is run. This is a difference between something is a global or something is not a global. Maybe this is a good thing because if is a global, anyone can change it in from any place. When he is not a global, meaning can't anyone run it and needed go direct to the folder to run it. So don't focus about that because it's not important. So we can now install a PHP. We will install the PHP 8 because PHP 10 I think needed Node.js and PHP Laravel. I'm sorry, Laravel 10 composer because Laravel Laravel 11 needed a Node.js, and Node.js maybe we needed install more things. So I need to make this video has a short time, and so what we can doing, copy this file. It is a first. I think not working, not work. I don't know if it's work or not. We can, no problem. We can trying and we learn together if we benefit or no. So we can. No, it's not work. Why? Because needed a PHP. We're talking about that. Yes, we're talking about that. So we needed what? Before past the introduction, we can not. I can focus. I don't know. So we needed run PHP composer dot phar. I think phar. We can check that. phar exactly. And we need to remove the composer from that. So we did here go to the note. I don't know why it's slowly. So we can copy and we can copy this. And maybe it's Laravel. This meaning the list the will install the and that will install the elephant, not the fin, and needed to specific choose the specific version. So that will install the elephant, and this is a problem. We needed the install the 10 maybe. So we can back to the Laravel 8. We try to the Laravel install the Laravel 8 because Laravel mean then the list what we can search about instead specific or instead Laravel composer specific version. Yes, because when using instruction using Laravel and don't uh, as here we needed this copy this and Laravel equal because that will install. We're trying, no problem. Life is trying. Life needed to go and don't stop. This is exactly life. So we try and what we can do. It's created, yes, created at 10. So it is a version 10. Great. So that's what we needed, and we can. But we haven't MySQL, and in the someday we try to install MySQL and install maybe the and instead and using instead the Visual Studio Code. We're trying, so maybe I think can do anything, all the thing in your phone because your phone maybe the Android built in using the Linux and maybe Linux has all the thing and we can do anything, but I needed to go to the install first maybe dependencies of the Linux and we can install all the things. I think this is my thing, and we're trying, so no problem. But maybe my connection is weak. So if you watch this video, you can go move it. You can move it. So what can do now? I don't. I don't have any idea if he's work or no because MySQL is important because uh, how can random migration and so we're trying so no problem. And the package specification we are added by the new dependency using the composers to see details generated optimized how loaded. How can this is a package as layer says selectam you know for the logging and API is successfully okay. Now what we can do maybe an article using the PHP style. PHP, not I'm sorry, PHP accent surf. So here, what we doing? PHP and PHP accent surf. So and maybe he needed go to the specific folder. So we can make it and we can go cd blog blog post blog app blog app and we can use list. Maybe this is a folder of Laravel, so we can test that PHP R artisan self and trying. So no, we have a problem. I don't know wearing termux file boundary exceeds the data the termux file user can be permission. How can make a permission for the needed as a root? HP accent and maybe it's not work. Why? What you doing? Maybe the problem in the permission. So how can we can using shadow maybe and I think it's not work. So, though because phone can't giving you a permission for editing as artisan self. I don't. I think this program that is not installed. Install it by executing basic TC. And this is a problem for giving a permission for the termux. So what can doing? We can we needed to make it as a as the root or run and giving a permission to change the system. And this maybe we can do exactly in the termux because the phone can't make that. So it's a problem. So what we can do, we can search about shadow, and on termux. How can termux maybe instead shadow and the termux? How to instead shadow and the termux? We can show that maybe. I think there is a problem from it because in this post I am going to show you how to install shadow in the termux table. Why shadow in the termux? Why is shadow in this? How install shadow in the termux? How the routed? This is a big problem if make a route because we can step one first and of the open the termux app and make sure you've connected yourself to the internet. So no problem. Update and upgrade it. Install port to distro. I don't know why. And port to distro is still open to. It's a big problem because we need to install using the maybe termux, not uh, the open to. Shadow and the termux in a routed device. This is a big problem. So needed a routed devices, and I think my devices is original, and this is well not work, but we can test it, no problem, and we can test it, no problem. So and this will if we have shadow is a work. This meaning my phone is not original. I think PHP are artisan artisan share. What's happening? Shadow and command are as root or another user. Use shadow command. Okay. Shadow PHP version for tested. No support binary dedicated. Are you routed? So it's not work because my phone is original and I can't make as route. So I think this we step here, and in another video we talk on how can run that. So maybe we install the Ubuntu. I think needed install Ubuntu. So in another video we're talking about that. PHP artisan serve and no can't do anything because uh, haven't we can make a mode C mode. I think mass C mode operand trying sad mode for more information. Sad mode C mode I think, and we can help. I think it's not work. So we stop here, and in another video we talk about how can run that. I think we needed maybe make your phone as a root is a big problem, and is well and your phone will be not original, and anyone can uh, damage your phone. So we needed to install Ubuntu. We needed install Ubuntu, but in another video. And maybe this is exactly when install Ubuntu, we can install MySQL and another dependency because we in the Ubuntu, and I think we can install the Docker. So we stop here. Maybe this we can this trying. So if we learn something or no, it's not important. Important is trying for make things. So I look you in another video.